Nice to meet you.
would you mind
That is hot.
Just a little bit dark.
No problem.
Oh, he has a nice smile. Oh, Lincoln Park. His sticker.
Nice meeting you. How's it going?
Take care, brother. So what are these rings I'm trying on right now? They only fit mine. Are they 10 feet? Oh, they did?
Yeah.
Let's go get my drinks. Oh, sorry. So,
Just go get my drink. Actually, that looks fun.
so what are these? Are these Tiffany rings?
They're not from Tiffany, but I also don't know where they're from.
And you said they're real.
They are.
This is real diamonds?
Yeah.
I think guys have a ring. I think the current styling for a lot of the Gen Z stuff. I actually really like the style. I'm always scared to try things.
What?
I don't know, like oh, thanks. Appreciate it.
You know what I noticed? In America, they rarely do just banana drinks. You know? It's always banana and strawberry and baby as a smoothie.
Yeah.
I love banana.
Is that the yogurt?
Yogurt, yeah.
Oh, yogurt. Yo, this guy brews a nice cup of coffee.
What is this? Banana juice. I need to mix it.
Good.
I just got a whip of this only espresso.
There's only one guy working. Dude, that is amazing. I like this guy. Brew Bros. So now we're sitting down and fully engaging chat, guys. As I think I might have mentioned this yesterday, but we're in Korea right now. We're here for a week. We have some fun stuff planned for Pokey and Co. What's something you hope to see on the stream that if you're not a sub right now would make you sub, would make you get 5 sub, would make you call your mom like, Mom, you gotta see what's going on Pokemon stream. What's something? Very.
I love it.
Great answer. Shut up, I'm trying to jam. Hachu. Charming Joe. Okay, it doesn't need to be a person. Persons are good.
Have you been to a level?
In Japan, yeah, not here. They have them here too.
Did you go with someone or did you pay someone? I mean, why would you go alone booking?
Oh, you mean like
Like, do you go there?
like a brothel?
Oh.
No. Yeah, I've gone with people, someone.
Was it progress?
Love hotels, I think, are a really interesting, like, cultural thing that exists in Japan. That's what most are. I think it kind of like.
Is it mocha?
No, it's not. It's like actually, I think it's.
Smell funny?
No, I mean, there probably are some that do, but there's like, I think the love hotel like industry is such a weird booming industry. It's like they're all full every night.
Really?
Yeah. It's like hard to get in. On a weekend, you'll never find a room for sure. Yeah. But I think yeah, it kind
Or
of.
you can sit with us.
Oh, I don't know where Jamie is.
Yeah, I think Jamie's was in the bathroom.
Yeah, they're not that.
And before clogged. Not again.
Oh shit. Oh.
Hi. It's okay.
Is the bathroom okay? Bathroom's okay. Wait, did someone say love hotel or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, there are low hotels in Korea, but it's not. I don't think it's as like in your face as in Japan, which is like an insanely booming industry.
Do you think it's because there's a lot of cheating?
Japan's society has like a lot of interesting sexual things that I've found over the years of being there.
Such as? What's a weird
Oh,
one?
they have like love hotels, right?
Yeah, we were
That's
talking about
very
that. Yeah.
And he said it was moving, so I was like, is it because there's a lot of cheating? Because like if you're dating someone, you don't need to go to a love hotel.
Yeah. But
No, love hotels have like a lot of cool like straight beats and toys and like buy them. Well, it's like all there for you. It's like maybe like a one-time use thing.
yeah, they have like some team ones like that, SM whatever ones. But I think a lot of
Yeah,
it.
BDSM stuff.
there's also like generation, like they're, you know, living with your parents in these big cities, so you're usually older, so you don't really have space to like take a loved one or someone you meet at night home. So love hotels like that. Also like the culture of like cheating is very interesting in Japan. I mean, there's a lot of videos on it. I'm not going to give like a hard take on it, but there's like a lot of people that are married in Japan that think that cheating is only cheating if it's emotionally involved and not just physical. And that exists. I'm not saying it's like a generalization, but you can go watch people like do interviews in Japan, like street interviews and stuff with Japanese people, and it's like a interesting, like, I always found it kind of like, I mean, long term is not a cool thing, right? I don't know how to explain it, but it's yeah. So I don't know why it's so norm out there. I think it's a lot of like long term, like historical shit. I don't know.
What I hear a lot is like,
Chat might know more.
sometimes the more like wholesome and restrictive a culture is, the more people want to
Get crazy.
act out in other ways.
Yeah, that could definitely be a thing as well. Although I do think that Japan has like a really insane in-your-face like sex culture, like JAB, even though they pixelate it like Japanese porn. You know, like that pixelization. Well, porn is like crazy in Japan. It's like a freaking like idolization of like these like superstar porn stars. It's like a very normal thing. Like you walk into the Walmart in Japan, there's like a whole Tenga section in your face next to the kids' toys, right? It's like 18 plus section, but it's like, you know, it's very like, it's not as taboo a lot of stuff. In Korea, I think more stuff's taboo. Sorry, did I say that weird? I mean, chat might know. It's like next to like the kids, the toys, like in Don Quixote.